Hello friends. Welcome to Club Crafteria. In this video, let's see most profitable and money-making niche for YouTube. Making money online. One of the best YouTube niche is making money online. Countless people search in YouTube how to gain additional income through online, since you can work in your comfortable zone. For this making money online niche, you can create content like digital marketing, SEO search, about various websites which offers work, affiliate marketing, etc. Educational content. Another profitable YouTube niche is to create educational content for kids and adults. Mostly people focus on educational content for kids. For this education content YouTube channel you can create animated and colorful rhymes which attracts not only kids even adults, educational tutorial about any software or app, how to use them, do-it-yourself videos, etc. Gaming. Next biggest niche on YouTube is gaming. Younger generations mostly hit the YouTube to know about the new games, how to play, etc. Gaming YouTube channel focuses on gaming news, new releases, console reviews, product reviews, simply gameplay with engaging commentary, and more. Funny videos. Next popular niche is funny videos on YouTube. You can gain millions of views for these funny videos content. Most of the people spend their time by seeing and enjoying these funny videos in YouTube. These videos will make them to see again and again. You can create animal funny videos, entertainment videos, videos showing something funny, etc. ASMR. Another popular niche in YouTube is to create ASMR videos. These videos attract many people to view them in YouTube. You can use this idea to create a faceless YouTube channel. Contents like different types of sounds and music, for example eating, crushing, cutting sounds, can be created for this YouTube channel. Cooking. Cooking is always a popular niche on YouTube. Many people turn to YouTube to get different and tasty recipes to be done in easy method, also with minimum ingredients. Not only recipes, they also tend to see kitchen tips and tricks, which will give amazing views for this channel. You can create content like unique recipes, kitchen tips and tricks, food reviews, etc. Personal finance and investments. Next is another money-related niche, that is personal finance and investment. For this niche YouTube channel, there is less competition and more chance to create unique video. You can create quality content like stock trading, saving, budgeting, content on investing, and other ways to help people manage their money in this personal finance YouTube channel. Health and wellness. Health and wellness is one of the best YouTube niches. Most people have a track in following these videos to stay fit and to know about healthy diet. People are more concerned about their health, so this niche YouTube channel has a great growth. You can create content such as workouts, yoga, or create educational videos related to fitness and health. Technology and gadgets. One of the most profitable niches on YouTube is about technology and gadgets. There are many channels creating content based on this niche, so when we start a channel we should find something unique in the way of creating the content to be out of the crowd and to gain views. To start with this niche, we want to invest in products to create content using them. Travel and adventure. Another profitable niches on YouTube is travel and adventure. People are very much interested to see many unique, beautiful, and historical places, so this niche will gain you many views. You can create content based on the places, road trips, review about the places, beautiful views, etc. There are more competition for this niche. To start with this niche, we need to travel to many places to create beautiful and unique content. Thank you for watching the video.